made for a healthcare company who wanted to automate their marketing and also their customer engagement and how all the metrics of the system were working. So what in this demo, what I'm gonna show you the exact system that we made for them, and in the end of the video, I'm gonna show you like how much we sold it for. So let's just start onto it. So first of all, when logging onto the system, this is the dashboard that you get to see, and it has quite a few of metrics, and some of them are like revenue optimization, active patient base, and AI cost and prediction accuracy. So AI cost is just like how much AI is like saving them in monthly prices, and revenue optimization, like how much we have helped them save their revenue, and how it's all going, what's the active patient base right now, and how much the data that is being showed right now is accurate. And then there is the business performance rate, like what's the revenue growth happening, and what's the patient acquisition, like how it's all going on. And then there at the corner there's strategic AI insights, like how they can do market expansion. Let me just move it right here, and like how they can do the operational excellence and everything like that. So then we have our marketing intelligence. So let me just give you a brief introduction of this. Okay, so what this does is that this is connected to all of their ad sets, and all of their wherever they're actually running their ads right now, and it takes all the KPIs, metrics, and sees, okay, so what topics are being actually searched on right now in the internet regarding to all the health and wellness. Okay, so then it says, okay, so these are the topics, and this is what we're doing here. And then it's like, okay, so this is what we're doing, so this is what something that we need to include in this, and it gives you the recommendation, okay, you need to include this, that, and this will help you generate more revenue. And then there is optimal send time adjustment, like shifting email campaigns, and then finally there is content personalization, just to add personalized health tips according to every targeting geographic cost. Each and every country, there are different ways they try to take care of themselves, different ways they had to do the healthcare and everything. Then we move on to patient engagement. So what this does is that this is actually connected, like I told you, the whole system is connected to the ad set, and like how the ads are being managed and everything. So what this does is that this creates a whole funnel to let them see, like, okay, so these are the initial leads, these were contacted, these are the qualified ones, this much consultations have been done, and this is the amount of conversions that you're getting. And then this patient satisfaction score, so what it is that it is connected to all of the Trustpilot pages, Yellow pages if they have some, and anything that may have revenue, Google revenue review. And so what this does is that this takes all of their like reviews and everything, and it just summarizes them into one place. It's like, okay, so this is what you get for communication, this is what you get for care quality and everything. Then we have the AI predicted retention trends, like this is the current cohort, and this is the AI prediction that if you will listen to my advice, the AI advice, and this is how much you can actually save. Then we have the main AI analytics. So what this does here is that there is, like you can see, there's an engagement heat map by every channel. So this email, this SMS, this phone, social mail, app, this everything that you can actually think of. And what it does is that it shows in the engagement heat map, like this is where all the metrics that you're getting from your email, how your emails are performing, how your SMS are performing, everything. It just summarizes it up into one place, so they can actually manage it right from here. Then there's like a real-time activity feed. It shows that, okay, AI and it's it's their advices, and this is how much you can actually get better. And now finally we have executive reports. So what this does is that it can actually allow them to create executive reports right here from the dashboard. They don't have to, see all the metrics and, just go on somewhere else and, have to type it all up, waste their time just doing something that's, just not even, just to show others what the metrics going on right now. Well, what they can do is that they can just come onto here and download the executive summary, like download PDF, boom, it's generated, done. Then there's marketing performance. If they can just export the CSV directly from here, just share the link, and the people can access it through the link. Then there's like board presentations. They can just come onto here, just take the presentation, that they have for just to show the board and everything, and boom, just show it. Then there's a quick export tool, there's performance chart, campaign data, engagement metrics, AI predictions, and now mainly for the sauce we have AI strategic advisor. So what it does is that it will actually advise you on like how you can make your business better, how you can get more revenue, how you can get more clients, how you can actually improve your business. So what it does is that it's giving you actions like you need to analyze this market entry, you need to generate this, you need to schedule this, and you need to do this is this stuff, and then you will get more revenue. So this is what it does for the person. It only gives you the advice. It's your job to implement it, but it actually automates your work by a whole lot. And so we actually sold this whole system for like about 1570 as the first payment, and then we actually took the whole payment as like it was about $12,500. So this is the whole system that we gave them. This is connected to each of one of the ad, you can say ad set, or like anywhere they're running the ad right now. This is connected to there, and it is also connected to all of their engagement channels, and this is and it gives them all the reports and everything. So if you want to have something like this made for your business, or if you want to learn to make something like this, and you can contact us, through email, and we will try our best to see what bottlenecks you're trying to face, and what's happening around your business and how you can help improve it, and finally how you can get more revenue. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.